takondo kitetere cheboto membayatab kone ingatin ngatutik nebo Embakasi Babu Owino kora komiten komosoten arwiyot nebo Inspector General nebo Police noton go Douglas Kanja nekamwa kole kakotoige chikilisiet asikenai kele tos ne nekoipchi koibit yautyonoton anan nyasutyonoton nebo maat en komosto nebo Embakasi en karonet nekoikin raini.
The investigators are on site right now. I have this guy. He has already commenced investigations, and he has other instructions to waste no time. Move with speed. In the next 14 days, we should be having the findings and his recommendations so that we can be able to move forward. Now, based on his findings, I think we will be able now to commence other processes that are required by others. Otherwise, we have around 271 people who are admitted in various hostels in Nairobi. In Mamaruse, having the bulk, adding like 40 are there. The rest of the resident hostels have various numbers. 21 were treated on site and they are allowed to go back to their homes. We have 3 fatalities. That is as up now. Otherwise, we are going to continue providing information. We have a command center down there that we can also be able to get additional information, whatever that we require. And even for those who have not seen the loved ones, they can also be helped from the